The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
Yo, hear me say. I go talk something I don't care who vex right now, because you know when Neako fire talk, I don't even care about people sometimes. But me I talk the truth though. You see the dance when you're in dirt? I don't know why Lali never do the dance and make some woman do the dance. I feel more comfortable. I can't in the party every time I play that song there. You see be a man from out of nowhere, some boy in some tight pants and them pants and them body, and 6, 7, 8 of them group up. I wind up them waist. Yo, I don't like it. And Lali, I not against it, but I go top play that song there. He come like me have to go top play that song there. Because he come like when I play that song there, I see the man them a run out more than I see woman them enjoy themselves on that song there. I not too like it. And when I play a song for you, wine and wall the girl them and rubber dub and wine pan them and enjoy themselves and turn up one side and watch get a break out. But as soon as the song play, you know drink on liquor, on the top drink on liquor, and one bag of man that group up a wine. No, I don't like it, man. I swear to you, I don't like it.
Neako fire, big up yourself. Neako fire, big up yourself. Big up yourself. That's it. Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall. I'm there again, big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, you see the person in the video that I just presented to you, he's the kind of person who will sometimes shares his point of views and opinions when it comes down to certain things on social media sometimes, you see? Now, I'm going to ask you one question. According to the things that he said in the video that I just presented to you, tell me if you agree or if you disagree with the things that he said. See? Let me know what you think, alright? Alright, so I have more videos that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. But before I present another video to you, I would like to encourage each and everyone who are new to my channel to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Alright? Now, I saw a video circulating on social media that shows a female, and in the video, the female said some things that gave me the understanding that she asked the Prime Minister of Jamaica, who goes by the name of Andrew Holness, for help to start a business, which is said to be a bar, so that she can stop work for people. She also said other things as well in the video, viewers and subscribers, and according to some things that I read in a news article, it is said that the Prime Minister of Jamaica, who goes by the name of Andrew Holness, visited the female. It is said that other persons was there when the Prime Minister visited the female, and according to the news article, it is said that the Prime Minister gave her some things. Now, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show some of the things that happened when the Prime Minister visited the female. But before I present that video to you, I'm going to present the video to you that's going to show when the female said some things that gave me the understanding that she asked the Prime Minister of Jamaica for help. Alright? Here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Andrew, in truth and all honesty, I don't like when people disrespect you, you know. For real, I don't really like when people disrespect you, but guess what? When nobody are dead for hungry, I don't live nowhere want to assistance, and they come on TV and then preach and then talk and then ball. I don't find them so easy, you know. But make a man come on social media come disrespect, you know, because of the curfew and the protocols and the lockdowns, and them disrespect you. You see how quick gonna find them? This is hey, unfair, yeah? Well, my name is Nicola James. I am from Christiana, Manchester. And I beg you 150k for open a local bar for start something for myself, so I can't stop work for people. This can go viral now. You find me, I'm gonna get the money, please, sir. But you had to work for people, I'm more self-employed. This not gonna happen, no, because guess what? I know disrespect you though.
Well, viewers and subscribers, in my point of view, she might have been very wrong with some of the things that she said in that video that I just presented to you. Because the Prime Minister of Jamaica, who goes by the name of Mr. Andrew Holness, did visit her. And the video has been talked about on social media. Anyways, I'm going to present to you a video that's going to show a little of the things that happened when the Prime Minister of Jamaica, who goes by the name of Andrew Holness, visited the female shown in that video that I just presented to you. Alright? I don't know when it happened. I don't know exactly where within the country of Jamaica it happened. But the Prime Minister visited her. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
So I saw your video on social. First, let me tell you, it was very great. I laughed. I almost got on the chair. I laughed. It was very fun. But it's also found that because your video highlighted certain things that are helpful.
Well, people, you ever hear about a thing where them say, ask and you shall receive? Something like that, you see? You know, I wonder if she get the help because of how polite she asks for what she want. Or maybe it's because someone do a disrespectful video. Our persons did disrespectful videos about the Prime Minister of Jamaica, and then this female did such a kind video. So politely. See? So maybe she got the help as an example to show people, say, hey, don't be disrespectful. You can get the help, just be polite. I think, you know, I not see that happening, you know. But I'm going to tell me one of the things still, viewers and subscribers, you see? Now, I read a news article where it said that an anti-vaccine protest happened somewhere within the country that is known as Antigua and Barbuda on the 8th of August, the year 2021. And I saw different videos circulating on social media about the protest, you see? And according to some things that I read in the news article, I got the understanding that law enforcers within the country that is known as Antigua and Barbuda used tear gas to break up the demonstration. See? According to some things that have been said on social media, and according to some things that have been shown and said in videos that I saw, I got the understanding that the tear gas affected law enforcers who was at the scene of that incident. Tear gas affected many civilians who were within the vicinity of the protest. And for you, my viewers and subscribers, to get a better understanding about the whole situation, I am going to put together and present to you pieces of videos that are circulating on social media where it is said that law enforcers from within the country that is known as Antigua and Barbuda used the tear gas to break up a demonstration. However, the same tear gas affected those law enforcers who were at the scene of the incident. Some of the scenes in these pieces of videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here are the pieces of videos. Take a look, listen and observe.
Oh God, the police are never sure. Even those of their numbers are affected by this. I can't talk as I would, but even the police are affected by this. They just released tear gas on the people of Antigua and Barbuda.
John, you see our live viewers and subscribers? I am wondering if the wind blow the tear gas in those law enforcers' direction, or maybe the wind spread the tear gas all over that area where the demonstration was at within Antigua and Barbuda. You see me, I say, you know, because in my point of view, you know, law enforcers must get training to use tear gas, in viewers and subscribers. So for something like that happen in such a way, it make me wonder, you know, probably the wind caused that. So me, I say, anyways, let me know what you think about those pieces of videos that I just presented to you, and I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, I read in a news article where it is said that 3 persons had been arrested by the police within the country that is known as Guyana in connection with an armed robbery of a gold dealership business place that is located somewhere within the country that is known as Guyana. According to the news article, it is said that on the 5th of August, the year 2021, armed robbers entered the gold dealership business place and made off with $30 million in cash, and it is said that they also made off with raw gold. According to some more things that I read in the news article, it is said that Guyana Defense Force acknowledged that 2 of their ranks are under investigation of their alleged involvement in the robbery of the gold dealership business place. It is said that those 2 persons are man and woman, and it is said that they are a couple. And according to some more things that I read in the news article, it is said that on the 7th of August, the year 2021, law enforcers within the country that is known as Guyana found $18 million in a bucket that was buried in the backyard of where the Guyana Defense Force sergeant resides. Now, I saw videos circulating on social media about both the armed robbery of the dealership business place and when law enforcers within the country of Guyana found money in a bucket buried in a backyard somewhere within the country that is known as Guyana. Now, I am not going to present the video to you that shows the armed robbery of the dealership business place, but I'm going to present the video to you that is circulating on social media where it is said that law enforcers within the country of Guyana found money in a bucket buried in a backyard that is located somewhere within the country that is known as Guyana, and it is believed that the money is some of the money that had been robbed from the dealership business place. See, I didn't get any confirmed information if they found any of the gold that's said to have been stolen or robbed, you see, but I present this video to you so that you can have a good understanding about the whole situation. All right. Now, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
You get more bucket, man. You got to check down the same line. 3 lines or 4.
By talk with the rest of the thing, then I buy. Where part the rest of the hole there? Where the rest of the hole there?
Touch. You see the 3 line here? You got to check that out. No, start dig there. Yeah. Or he start dig. Let me see what you see there.
Just bust the quick, man. Bust the back quick, man.
Bust the still got to carry down.
Nah, the money. Nah, the gold light. You don't play with Zara, man.
When I waking up from the sleep to be able to see, it's hard for me.
Okay, but a 50 million, eh?
Still, what a bucket.
15, eh? 5, 10, 15. No, these things good.
Alright, so dear avid viewers and subscribers, I hope that this video was informative. You can also let me know what you think about the videos that I presented to you, and until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch.